Many a times, I observe people circle around and come to the very same point. And I realize that we all make the same kind of mistakes in our relationships also. It doesn't matter whether it is a relationship with our own self or someone else. We come back to the same point where we began. Because a lot of times we end up blaming others or we end up blaming ourselves instead of figuring out what can be done about it. I too have made mistakes in my relationship and in my life, and I learned out of it. I realized how I had to make my relationship better with myself, how I had to change some of my karmic patterns. And as I started doing it, a lot of things started flourishing in my life. My whole life took a 180-degree turn and I started living better. Hi, this is Siddhi from Yana's Healing Studio. And whatever I've learned in my journey, I've collected snippets of those learnings. I've collected snippets of those exercises, and I'm presenting all of that together to you all, for you all, in form of a karmic pattern workshop. This will help you nurture your life by releasing those unwanted and unnecessary energies that have become a part of your karmic pattern, your persona. And not only release them, replace them with healthy belief patterns and understanding that make you rise up and ascend. So, if you're wondering about what the karmic patterns are made of, how you can change them for good, what kind of implications it can have in your life, I invite you to take my workshop that is coming ahead during the phase of Navratri. This is a period of transformation, and let us utilize this period by taking into this program and soaking in the energies of forgiveness, energies of love, and changes within us. I've seen great changes happen in people's lives, their relationships, but I would want you to come to me without any expectations and see what happens. I also invite you to come and join me on a live webinar to understand the karmic theories even before we go ahead and take this workshop up. All the details of the workshop and the webinar will be given in the description along with this video. I invite you to come and join me and take healthy steps towards changing your karmic pattern. Thank you so very much. Thank you.